Good morning and welcome back to another Dynodaze video. This is the beautiful supercharged FN2 that we mapped recently. However, he had a decat on it and he was getting black flagged. So he thinks if he puts a sports cat back in, it'll quiet down, and he's right. So we have to tune accordingly for that. So it's time to put it through its paces again now that it's got its sports cat fitted. And we'll see if there's a drop-off in power, and it might be something that we expect today, but that is life. It is a lovely induction kit. So let's get cracking. Supercharged FN2, like I said at the start, we've seen this one before and we tuned it before, and then he's been black flagged, I think, for a bit of noise at track. So he decided he was going to fit his sports cat that he had because that'll quieten things down, which it has. But it's slightly dulled the power off as well, hasn't it? So normally when we're tuning these things, we're getting more power than they came in, but obviously this mandate was to make sure that it's safe with the modifications that he's got, so we've custom tuned it once again.
Yeah, it's a little bit of it. I mean, I suppose you could argue it's a little bit of a step back, but the point is, if the car's designed for track and you can't stay on track because of the noise, then you got to do something about it.
We know this because we both got black flagged at the last track day.
We did, yeah. So you got to do something about it. Obviously, he wanted to refit. He got his sports cat, so he wanted to refit it, and that's got him under the noise levels that he wants. But like Dan said, just wants to make sure that obviously the fuel and everything was correct and everything was good. So yeah, a little bit of a I'm going to use the word of a little bit of a detune. That's probably not actually factually correct, but we've lost about 5 brake, did we say?
I think it's about 10,
yeah,
overall.
So about 5 to 10 across the range, which okay is not really a massive amount for being able to stay on track and do what you want to do, isn't it?
Yeah. So Piper Manifold mated to a PiperSports cat now, because he did have the Piper decat before. Just shows you how good that Piper sports cat is, and then a Tegiwa 70mm, I believe, on this.
Yes, I believe so.
Yeah, so do check out the website though, because now the Piper true 3-inch exhaust system is ready, and that if you've got your Piper manifold already, you can make your Piper manifold to a Piper true 3-inch sports cat and 3-inch exhaust system. So go and have a look at that.
Yeah, definitely.
Should we go and have a look at the graph?
It looks a lovely bit of kit, that.
It does look a lovely bit of kit. We're tuning on it this Saturday, aren't we?
Yeah, we are indeed. Let's have a look at that graph.
Well, here we go. And this is the unusual one, because I usually say red line is as she came in and blue line is as she leaves, which is actually still true. But red line, as you can see, more power than before. Blue line is as she's leaving today with slightly less. And we finish on 350 brake and 313 at the wheels, and it is a lovely car, and he's having a lot of fun on track. Richard's taken his photographs. That's a nice photograph, mate. So yes, if you need any help with your FN2, whether it's Supercharge or NA, we've got all the parts you need, so give us a shout. And if you want any advice, you're more than welcome to contact us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or if you're really old school, you can pick up the phone. And we'll see you on the next one, won't we, lads?
Indeed.
There's our Keith. Keith, you've got one of these now. You've got a supercharged FN2 now.
Part of the gang.
Part of the gang. We always wanted you to be cool.
Cheers, man.
We might as well make it a trio and do 3 on Saturday.
Oh, you fighter. So we're going to map your car on Saturday as well.
Well, I realised there was a mistake in that, so I've got to sort that out.
Yeah, my own car's getting mapped Saturday as well. But again, that's because we went on a track day and we got black flagged. But that's another story. I'm sure we'll talk about that in that video as well. So thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz, and peace out.
Before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.
Hey, it's your boy Danny at Dynodaze. Just to let you know, every last Saturday of the month is a Honda meet at Dynodaze. So that's every last Saturday, 9 AM till 12 noon. We've got a rolling road here if you need it. But otherwise, just come down in your Honda, park up, pop your hood, chat to other like-minded enthusiasts. We love it. It's chilled out. So come and join us. Last Saturday of every month, Honda meet. Yeah.